Hey guys, I'm the Newb investor. Today we'll be looking at FB stock. Before proceeding, I want to put it out there and say I don't like holding or investing in social media stocks like FB, Pins, Snap, Match, Twitter, with the sole exception of Google. You see, I'm not a very social person myself, obviously. If I were, I would have put my face on the screen right now, but I simply won't. But when opportunity presents itself, I'd obviously think it over. You see, FB stock isn't just a social media stock. I have a cousin who sells her stuff through live streaming on Facebook. She would advertise her brand to get more traction, more potential buyers to come in and take a look at her brand. So basically, Facebook touch small businesses aside from being, just a social media site. To me, that is investable. I like the idea, I like the model, I trust the man himself, Mark Zuckerberg. Although there's a lot of buzz around the word metaverse, which drove the prices even higher for stocks like Nvidia, Microsoft, Roblox, or many more. To me, it's all speculation. It's it's a concept, an idea, a work in progress, and I'm not sure if I'm betting into that. This is the max chart for FB stock with the highest price of $384.33. We're currently trading at $237.09, 38% from the highs. Just recently, the stock shed 78 points, or about 24% from the close before earnings. They missed the EPS estimates by about 4% while beating revenues. Mark also brought uncertainty when he repeatedly mentioned TikTok, a growing rival, eating up their market share. Let's look deeper at their financials. Their market FB's market cap is 659.53 billion with a PE ratio of 70.22. The EPS trailing 12 months is 13.8. So basically it says that it trades at about 1.25 times earnings. Looking at their revenue, it is aggressively growing with an average profit margin of 33%. That's a lot. If that's not a growth stock to you, I don't know what is. Looking at their shares outstanding, they are constantly buying back shares. Just this year, they bought back about 108 million shares. Wow. Uh, to me, as an investor, I like I like it. I get to have a bigger piece of the pie. When they're buying back shares. They have 16.87 billion in cash and 39.12 billion in cash flow. Here's some ratio: price to cash and price to cash flow for this year. With long-term debt of just 12.75 billion, they can easily pay their debts with their cash and free cash flow. So everything is fine with Facebook financially. The stock shedding 24%, 25% is, I don't know, maybe just a correction or profit taking. I mean, the fundamentals remain. I don't know what's wrong with these sellers, but it created a buying opportunity for us value investors, right? So, thank you for selling. Now, is this a buy? Am I buying FB stock at 1.25 earnings? I might. I am tempted though. I really want to grab a piece of Facebook, but it's still too expensive to me. The gravity of not holding social media stock still pulls me. Something in me tells that, you should not invest in social media stock. They're bound to, what happened with Friendster, right? I don't know if that's gonna happen with Facebook. Is Facebook gonna be around for another 10 years? Because that's my holding time frame. I wanna hold stocks for 10, maybe 20 years. Is Facebook gonna be around for 10 years, 20 years? I don't know. I mean, I like Facebook. If it goes lower, I like it more. But at these prices, 235 almost, it's still too expensive for me as a value investor. Maybe I'll buy it below 200, but not at this level yet. Looking at charts, I see some gaps, and you know, I want to see those gaps filled. Then maybe I am a buyer of Facebook.